Numerous opportunities for community service arise during the holiday season, but this year COVID-19 has taken its toll on small organizations around Johnson County. While health restrictions have put a damper on volunteering, the Iowa City community is coming together to give back.
We try to collaborate with people out west, but we also try to reach out to our community and partner with certain organizations. We did a service project where we made tie blankets for the shelter house, as in the winter months are very cold. They really need some warm items to give out to the people that come use our services. And I just think it's cool the impact we do make, especially when we can see it firsthand. We helped out with the Thanksgiving food drive this year because that was the local food pantry here at West. But we also have a liaison that works at the Coralville Food Pantry. That's one of the organizations that has been a little harder to get volunteers into.
With these difficulties collaborating, the North Liberty Food Pantry has only 4 staff members and a determination to give back.
But really, volunteers is our biggest need right now. We've never been quite in this position where we are in such need of volunteers. We're very, very lucky that our community is really responsive. I mean, we've always been a volunteer-driven organization, but since the pandemic, we lost about 60% of our volunteers. We have all sorts of ways that people can be involved that would not put anyone at risk. A lot of independent volunteering. It's time consuming and it takes a lot of hands. It takes a lot of volunteers to do things that way.
The Iowa City Hospice home, the Birdhouse, faced a similar withdrawal in volunteers. However, the precautions being taken have led to much more. The community brought the small organization to new heights in their first ever drive-through Holiday Lights at the Lake event.
It was truly a Christmas miracle. How this all started, there was a woman named Jessica Whitman, and she always remembered going to this light event when she was a child. And she said, I think we should do something like this for the Birdhouse. Had so many people that were on fire about doing this. We were blown away by the support in the Iowa City area. So I'm just anticipating this will be our signature event that'll take us forward in the future.
There's a year-round need for volunteering, and it is much more than a silver cord or a tedious task.
I think with this, part of the reason why we're put on the earth, right? Serve one another. And we can serve one another in so many different ways because everybody's wired differently. But I think everybody has that innate want to give back and to serve their community.